We etch stuff onto my bone dragon.
289
Magazine capacity,
weathering
pog.
stacks. Much damage? 100% damage. 100% damage. 30% damage. 3% per shot. Rate of fire. Reload 30%. Then. Yeah, I don't know. So many scrolls to. Actually, how many scrolls do I have? I have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 39. 39
I have
scrolls.
16.
You're 60. Alright, well,
All my scrolls are really defensive, though. That's the reason why I have fucking 424 shield.
yeah. There we go. The Jade Summit.
Hey. Oh, okay. And stun. And stun. Hey. Oh,
Man,
you said Nightmare
free
wasn't
Nightmare, by the way.
You said Nightmare was still going to be scary. Tisk tisk.
I mean, it was Act 1, bro.
It was fucking horrifying.
It was
Actually. You were
horrifying Act 1.
100% right.
Dude, look how fast. So fast.
Oh wait, okay, 1 second. What's
Jeez,
mine?
dude.
Take.
Can I play?
Yeah, probably. Oh, I can't drop it. Never mind. I was gonna drop you a movement speed one, and I was saying drop your flesh and bones and fucking run even quicker.
Oh yeah.
What? Easy. Let's see how
Round
what's the
into
most.
Nightmare.
I did.
You did 1 million damage, dude. Good job. I did, 126 mil.
I got 1,000 soul lessons out of that.
I got 972. Yeah. Plus 49 scorching rounds. Yeah, this one scorching rounds, dude. Plus 1
That scorching
barrage.
rounds is
100% ammo consumption. Killing enemy on a crit doesn't matter. Triggering elemental effect spreads. Rate of fire 25%. Yeah. It did 70% of my total damage that entire game. I triggered elemental effects on it 441 times, and I had a crit rate of 23%. It did
What are the other difficulties?
89 million damage.